Hi everyone, welcome to SEP OmniLytics by Patent Cloud. In this video, we will show you how to view the standard essential patent landscape using our ETSI SEP overview page. SEP OmniLytics features 5G and LTE quick filters along with 3 other exclusive filters that assist in evaluating the essentiality of standard essential patents. The newly declared filter can find the patents that are first declared as corresponding to a certain radio technology generation, such as 5G, 4G, or 3G. The widely deployed and well-maintained filters can sift out patent families that are deployed in over 10 countries, and those with no abandoned, lapsed, withdrawn, or revoked members. You can further narrow down your search with our advanced filters. Here you can select your desired filters, such as release version, tech body, or country jurisdictions. Click Submit to save your settings. Check your selected criteria here at the top of the page. You can see the overall numbers, such as the number of simple families under this criteria. After you have set your filters, you can view the various charts using the tabs on the right or by simply scrolling down. The Declaration Pulse chart shows you the declaration trend. Top declaring companies and their market share are shown on the declaring companies chart. With the global coverage chart, you can see the number of standard essential patents deployed in each country and their legal status. And here with the tech bodies chart, are the number of SEP families under each 3GPP working group. Take a closer look at the distribution of the working groups among the SEP holding companies. By clicking on any number in SEP OmniLytics charts, you can open the list of patents in this group. For example, you can take a look at Huawei's CT1 group. Here you can get an overview of the basic information for each patent, such as the patent number, application date, legal status, and corresponding technical specifications. You can select patents to save to Patent Vault or export. To save your selected patents in Patent Vault for further analysis or to work with a team member, click on the Patent Vault icon and choose a target folder. To export data, click on one or more patents to select, then click the export icon. You can export to Excel or PDF. Remember to select the data field you want before confirming. Thanks for watching.